Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the security option. As you can see, we've got the device security section and we've got the SIM card lock option at the very first position, so simply tap on it. And here we've got change SIM pin. Right now we have to enter the current pin for the SIM card, so let me enter it and tap on this tick icon. And right now your device is asking you to enter the new pin for it. So let me pick 4 zeros, for example, and tap on the stick icon. As you can see right now we have to retype it, so again and tick icon. And as you can see, your device simply changed the card SIM pin. So it means that from now on, after restarting your device, it will require the new pin. So well, actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.